Welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today we'll receive a heartfelt message from one of you. Sudden weddings and funerals have been piling up, and now my emergency fund is bone dry. Oh my friend, if money wars were a soap opera, your episode would have more twists than a telenovela. But on a serious note, I want to thank you for sharing that life really does throw the unexpected at us like dodgeballs. And sometimes they hit us right where it hurts, our wallets. Now, first off, it's perfectly human to feel the pinch when surprise expenses come crashing down. Researchers in behavioral economics tell us that unpredictability and financial stress create what's sometimes called scarcity mindset. It's a clever leader trap where our brains get laser focused on what's missing: money, time, patience, and that ironically can make decision making a lot tougher. And it's not about weakness, it's biology. Your brain is wired to keep you safe. And when its senses lack, it sounds the alarm. So, what do we do when the budget reaches zero, the last demand? That we show up to celebrate milestones or say goodbye to loved ones. First, lean into your support network. Sometimes the most valuable assistance isn't dollars, but community. Friends and family might rally with shared rides, potluck gatherings, or even creative gift alternatives that honor the occasion without draining your account. And remember, many people feel awkward bringing up financial struggles, but honest conversations often lead to surprising support. Next, let's talk about the emergency fund itself. Not as a perfect magic jar, but more like a living creature that evolves with your life. If recent months have been unusually packed with life events, your fund is telling us sorry. It might be time to gently rebuild it at a pace that fits your current reality. Even small, consistent deposits, a few dollars here and there, can help revive that safety net over time. Financial advisors suggest automating savings can bypass our brain's temptation to spend now and delay saving. Now, here's a little paradox. Unexpected expenses feel horrible, but they also remind us just how interconnected money is with emotional life. Whether it's joy or grief, spending often follows feeling. From a psychological perspective, acknowledging these feelings can relieve the pressure to be perfect with money all the time. Give yourself permission to feel frustrated or anxious without judgment. It's the first step to moving forward. And hey, here's a bit of humor to lighten the mood. If only our emergency funds grew every time we attended a wedding or funeral. Think about it. You'll be a millionaire by now. Since that's not the case, let's get creative. Maybe it's time to channel your inner MacGyver and explore ways to reduce other expenses temporarily or find side gigs that bring some extra income. The key is to avoid sinking into despair and instead approach this challenge like a financial ninja: quiet, strategic, and adaptable. Finally, if the stress ever feels overwhelming, please consider reaching out to a financial counselor or mental health professional. You don't have to solve everything alone. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. So, to the listener who sent this message, your financial season may be tough right now, but your story matters deeply. Life will keep tossing those unpredictable dodgeballs, but with resilience, support, and a dash of humor, you'll catch them gracefully. Keep showing up for yourself, one day and dollar at a time. That's all for today's Money Talk on Anthony Knows. Stay tuned for more, because here, there's no judgment, only understanding and heart. Until next time, keep your chin up and your emergency fund earmarked for surprise dance parties, not just emergency dance offs. Take care.